Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today the kids and I are going to do something a little bit different. We're just going to bring you around our house with us. Over the last couple of weeks, about 3 weeks to be exact, the kids and I have been gifting and thrifting around, and we have yet to put out our items that we received from our home goods swap or that we were gifted or thrifted with the other day when we went out with a friend. So I'm going to take you around my house with all of my wonderful treasures, and we're going to put them out through our house, and just thought that you might like to see where we put our things. I'm also going to let you know about items that I have thrifted or been gifted in my home, just to show you that from one man's trash is another woman's treasure, and how I have been able to fully stock my home either from Goodwill finds or gifted finds from family and friends. So come along with us as we put up our gifted and thrifted treasures.